Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I know I look crazy right now. I have all my face makeup on and no eye makeup or lipstick because today we're testing out the Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's palette and also the Forever set, all from her new Valentine's collection, which I got in the mail like the other day. I got this stuff in the mail the other day and I have used it, but I kept the packaging and everything because it's really cute and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So I already have my eyes primed with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. But yeah, I thought that I would do a little Valentine's Day tutorial for you guys and also tell you guys what I think about the palette and the lipsticks and the set and everything and just give my thoughts. So yeah, so when you open the palette up, it looks like this. It's pink and it's got the Kylie in the same color, and I did use it and I was doing my and there's a line through this shade now because I accidentally hit it. But this is what the palette looks like, and it has a really big mirror, which I like because I like to look into my eyeshadow palettes while I'm doing it. But yeah, this is one of the prettiest palettes I think I've ever gotten. Like the shades are just so pretty and I'm really excited. I'm just gonna go over and make sure that I get all the creases out first. And I did have a little mascara on. Okay, eyelashes. So first what I'm going to do is take this Morphe brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Princess right here and just get my brush and I'm just going to put that in the crease, but also all over the lid because it's very similar to my eyelid shade. So we'll just use this Princess color to just kind of set my eyelid. So I have the Princess shade down and now I'm going to take the shade Pink Problems, which is this brown transition shade right beside it, and I'm just going to take the same brush and work that shade into the crease. Okay, so now that that shade's done, I'm going to take a more tapered Morphe brush and I'm going to go into the shade February, which is this pale pink color, and I'm just going to do that on the upper part of my crease just to give it a little pink color. Pinks can be difficult because sometimes you look like you have pink eye if you put too much pink in the wrong place. But these colors are blending really beautifully and they look really nice together. I like it. I think that the mattes are blending really good. See? Really good. Okay, now, so to deepen the crease, I'm going to take this red color, reddish pink, called First Date, and I have this flat brush. It's kind of like a flat top brush, and I'm just going to get some of that on there. This the brushes pick up a lot of product, by the way, so be careful with that. I always tap and dust it off. So I'm going to take this brush and go right in my crease with this color and just pack it in the crease. We'll need a little more. This looks crazy, but give it a second. Okay, so now that it's packed in the crease, I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to blend the shadows together. Wow, that blended in really nicely. I like the way that this look is turning out. I wasn't expecting it to look this good, actually. So now for the lid shade. It's time to clean your brushes, Sydney. This one's purple. Okay, so the way that I like to apply the shimmers from Kylie's palettes, I've learned that it works best if you get the shimmer on the brush and then wet it after that. So I just have some Smashbox primer water right here, and the shimmer shade that I think I'm going to do is this kind of orange pinky duochrome color. I don't know. It's called Be Mine. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that on the brush and then spray it with the primer water. And now we're just going to pack this all over the lid. Wow, that's really pretty. This reminds me of my last video when I did a review of the ColourPop Jelly Shadow. This really looks like the same color as that jelly shadow that I had. But it's very pretty. It's like a duochrome to like pink. It's like a shift from like orange to pink, maybe. I don't know. It's very pretty. Okay, so the Be Mine shade is completely applied to the lid. So now it's time to do the lower lash line. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take this little Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Pink Problems, this brown transition shade right here. And I'm just going to outline or place it along the bottom of my lash line. Right close. Really close to my eyeball. Okay, so now I'm going to take the other side of the brush, which is fluffier, and I'm going to go in with the shade First Date, that red shade, and just kind of blend it together and really smoke it out. I'm also using a very light hand when I do this part so that it doesn't look like I have raccoon eyes. Okay, so the lower lash line is done. I didn't do much to it, but I don't think that it needs that much done to it. I like the way that this is looking. So now we're going to do an inner corner highlight and a brow highlight. And I'm going to take the shade right here, Heartthrob. It's like this light gold. And I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. I'm also putting it, outlining my brow bone to give it that little highlight. That's really pretty. I like shades like this in palettes because you can always use it as an inner corner and a brow bone highlight. Okay, well, this is the finished eye look. So let me go put on some mascara and then we'll come back and I will review the Forever lip set. Okay, so I applied some mascara and the eyes are looking really good. I like the way that this look turned out. It's very Valentine's Day-ish. And so yeah, now it's time to do the lips. And I got the Kylie Forever. I got the Forever set, which is supposed to be like a nude kind of set. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and you get the liquid lipstick, the liner, and also a high gloss. So right now we are going to take this liner, which is called Forever and Always, and apply that to the lips. Okay, so I'm not good at lining my lips. Figured that out. But yeah, I like the way that this liner, it glides on very smoothly. All of Kylie's lip liners are good. But now we're going into the matte lipstick, which is called Built to Last. Here's a little swatch for you guys. right there. Oh, I can swatch the lip liner too while I'm at it. There is the liquid lipstick and also the lip liner side by side. That's what they look like. So now we're going to apply the lipstick. Okay, so that's what it looks like with just the matte lipstick on. And I like this color. It's very nude, but I feel like it'll go with a lot of stuff too. So now there is also a high gloss that comes in the set, and it's called Story of Us. And I will do, I'll do a swatch of that. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's got like really pretty, like almost champagne color sparkles in it, and it looks very pretty. It looks gold in the tube, but when I put it on my hand, it's a lot more of a champagne color. So we'll just apply this. So that is it with the gloss on top. And I've never actually tried one of Kylie's high glosses before, but this looks really beautiful. This whole look looks awesome. Like, I'm very happy with the way it turned out. The eye look, I love everything about the palette. It looks stunning and beautiful on my eyes. This Be Mine shade is really pretty with the orange on the lids, and the mattes blended out beautifully, and I'm really excited about this lipstick. I love this gloss on top. Like, it looks so pretty and natural looking because it's like a nude color and it's not like a crazy color. I would definitely recommend both the palette and the Forever set to you guys. I really liked both of them, and I thought that they are really good quality, and all of Kylie's lipsticks are really good anyways. So I just like that you can buy it as a set together. I'm really happy with the way that everything turned out. I hope you guys liked this video and liked my little Valentine's Day tutorial for you guys. If you did like it, you should subscribe to my channel. That's weird. I shouldn't say that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.